Crush a salted egg, drizzle in a little oil, microwave it for 2 minutes. Just like that, you got this deep crab roll-like flavor. Take it out and add cubed tofu, a few slices of Chinese sausage, some peeled shrimp, and a handful of mac beans. Pour in hot water until it just covers the ingredients. Then back into the microwave. High heat, 5 more minutes. Now take a look. This is kind of magic that happens without a stovetop, without starting a single pot. In just 10 minutes, you have got a rich, savory tofu stew with all the essence of seafood clay pot. Unbelievably fragrant, incredibly satisfying.